Hey, fabulous YouTube FAM. Gather round because I've got a tale to spin about this gem I stumbled upon the last superfoods. Buckle up because we're diving into the roller coaster of emotions I experienced with this one. So, imagine this. I'm on cloud 9 after snagging a copy of The Last Superfoods, and my excitement levels are through the roof. The book, a literary marvel, packed to the brim with mind-blowing content that's practically a feast for the brain. No bashing here, it's a literary utopia. But there's a twist in the plot, my friends. Picture this website all sleek and mysterious, teasing with the word physical and boasting a snazzy graphic that screams hardcover excellence. You're picturing a sturdy, majestic hardcover, right? Well, hold on to your hats because reality hits hard. For your hard-earned $35 or $30, what do you get? A paperback. Can you feel the collective gasp? Yeah, I know, not the plot twist we signed up for. The disappointment is real. They've got this cosmic, CGI book cover that's practically begging you to touch it, but nope, it's a paperback in disguise. The photos inside, oh boy, they're like something from a prehistoric telephone book, not exactly Insta-worthy, if you catch my drift. But hold on, don't slam the book shut just yet. Despite the deceptive cover and less than stellar visuals, what's inside is a goldmine. The recipes, the secrets, it's like uncovering buried treasure in the literary world. It's a bittersweet love affair mix of why. Oh, why is it not a hardcover? And damn, these superfoods are life-changing. So, here's the bottom line. Dear viewers, worth it? Absolutely. Just keep your expectations in check. It's a paperback party, not a hardcover gala. Still, let's give credit where it's due. A stellar read awaits you. Happy reading, and may your superfoods be forever bountiful.